Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Can you take a look at the person next to you? Can you put your hands together according to how good looking the person next to you is? If you are sitting close to someone that is not clapping for you, change your seat. And if you are clapping for someone that is not good looking, why are you deceiving that person? Okay, I don't want to say they laugh each other. Oh, where was that? Nat also again one person who is sponsored the show. I need to know the table, though. Make I not go talk to my destiny helpers anyhow. Nat, this table. Okay, enough it be you. Enough it be you. Enough it be you. Because you be like, oh, not go even sponsor. All right. If there's one man that has made it possible for us to gather here this evening, they've already told us to clap for him several times. Can we please put hands together for the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the giver of life, the giver of health, the giver of job, the giver of children, the giver of wives, husband. If you don't know who I'm talking about, in government, they call him the supreme authority. Local government administrators know him as wonderful counselor. Oceanographers know him as rivers of living waters. In medicine, he's known as the great physician and healer. In law, they call him the mediator. Electrical engineers recognize him as the light of the world. TV viewers call him channel of God. He's so awesome that even native doctors, they recognize him. They call him the oracle of God. Can you please put your hands together for him? Ladies and gentlemen, now rainy season be this, and they don't warn us about flood. We dey complain say we dey suffer flood for Port Harcourt. Una don't go Bayelsa. Bayelsa people they suffer flood. You go wake up you go sleep for this street. You go wake up for another street. Flood go change your destiny. That's one woman dance come out on a Thursday morning. Make she go worship her idol. Floods don't carry the juju come out. And she called, they ask people, did you see my God? They say, madam, we see your God, they swim, they go Port Harcourt. Now hold on, I the God for drowning. Never sabi swim. But we serve a God that cannot be moved. Ladies and gentlemen, if there's one thing I like doing, apart from acting, and before that, I tell people, churches, put beautiful sisters in evangelism unit. You go to put ugly sisters. When I won't scare people away from God, apart from the spiritual aspect, physical attraction. The first day I heard about Jesus, the lady that came to preach to me, beautiful lady. As soon as she approached me, I was outside playing with my friends. As soon as she approached me, I said, Mudiaga, are you ready to give your life to? I didn't even allow her finish. And I didn't even know who I was giving my life to. I said, I give. She said, okay, I've heard you. I said, I give. And me could tell her, you need to follow me up. My spirit is very stubborn, no? She said, don't worry, I'll be coming 2 times a week. I said, no, it's not enough for my soul. I have a difficult soul. She said, okay, I'll be coming 5 times. I said, okay. Now, so she dey follow me up. Every time she dey follow me. One period, she not come at all. Now, me call her. I said, you didn't come. For the past 2 days, I've not seen you. The devil came to tempt me. Oh. I'm warning you. The devil will take my soul from your Jesus. Oh. She said, don't worry, I will come. One period, she did not come at all. 1 full week, she not come. Now, go call her. Midnight call. Oga, all this while, I did not know she was the wife of the senior pastor. As the phone ring, now the pastor pick him. Hello, Mudiaga. If you want to backslide, backslide. This man not get value for my soul. I could say, but I just gave my soul. He said, you gave it to the Lord. You cannot give your soul to the Lord and collect my wife in exchange. What? If apart from comedy, if there's one thing I like doing is acting. The day I stopped acting was the day we had to act the passion of Jesus. Brother Emeka already rehearsed the role of Jesus. Now that day I come. My drama leader just said, Mudiaga, you're acting that part today, the Jesus part. Emeka said, director, is not fair. I already invited my friends and family members to come watch me act Jesus. Now you're giving the role to Mudiaga. It's not fair. Director, and I said, okay, Emeka, what you will do is that you will act the Roman soldier that will flog Jesus. Emeka said, director, I like that part. It's my favorite part. Then Emeka come meet me. You've been collecting roles from people. Every time you go, they collect roles from people. You won't act Jesus, Abi? If I flog you after 3 days, if you resurrect, let me say my name not be Emeka. Oga, this ain't a joke. Director gave Emeka costume cane, rubber cane. We are doing the final rehearsal. The light was focused on me. Director dey far from us. Emeka stand for darkness, so director not dey see Emeka well. We don't know say Emeka don't throw away the cane, go collect koboko away, get trim out. If they flog you 2, Now 6. My brother, from far, director say action. As in Jesus, I was carrying my cross. Director say, okay, let's do this quickly. 3, 2, 1, action. I was expecting a soft whip. The next one I hear from my back now. Yay! Now shout, Director say, cut. Mudiaga, you're spoiling the drama. What's, hey. You are Jesus. If you want to shout, ouch. Let's take it from top. 3, 2, 1, action. Yeah! Now shout, I don't die. Director say, cut! How can you die now? Have you got it to Calvary? Mudiaga, you're spoiling this drama. Let's take it from top. 3, 2, 1, action. Yeah! And off he talk. Tears just a drop. Director say, now you are getting it. I like the tears. They make it harder. I like the creativity. 1, 2, 3, action. Yeah! And I said, Jesus! Oh, Jesus. Director say, cut. How can Jesus be calling Jesus? Who will answer? My brother, before drama started, they don't admit me. Jesus, the hospital, they collect drip. My brother. And they like acting, oh. I remember when we grew up, my mom go make us fast for no reason. 6 to 6, we almost die of hunger. Now that day I reach church, then my drama leader tell me, say, today we want to act another drama. I say, what drama? He said, if you forgot to that drama, that you will annoy your wife, you get your wife angry, so she will poison your eba. You will swallow 2 lumps of eba, you will eat the poison, and your stomach will start aching you, and you will die. I said, director, I know that drama is my best drama. Me, whenever I eat 6 to 6. Director said, 2 lumps of eba. I said, okay, sir. Action! Everybody, they watch. Director, they backstage. I wash my hand, cut eba, touch soup. Nothing do me. Cut again, touch soup, nothing do me. Eba don't they reach half, nothing they do me. Director, they backstage, they shout, Mudiaga, die. Mudiaga, die. I no answer director, I see they eat. They shout, Mudiaga, die now. Namiko, there's director. Director, what you want to kill me? He said, the poison. I said, I never eat them now. I still they eat the eba, the poison they bottom. My brother, eat eba, finish, eat meat. I said, they drink water, and director call the shout, director, now the water, they poison. Director don't know when they shout, Mudiaga, if die, but not kill you, I swear, I go use my hand, kill you. Oh, I like acting, oh. Man, ladies and gentlemen, one of the reasons why my wife fall in love with me then, say, they very slim, stomach intact, but now she does her own hand disfigure me. It good like that. Now she does the complete baby, adding weight, go and register with a gym, do exercises, and burn the fat. I don't have a problem with that. So recently I went to register with a gym. The first day I got to that gym, I saw this fat lady. She was doing press up. She had already exceeded 100. 102, 103. I said, for what? How can a woman be doing press up 102? That means I will do 4,000. I took off my shirt, I bent down, I started doing my own press up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was doing my own in a hurry to catch up with her own. She not doing in a hurry. 104, 105. Me, I did 13, 14, 15. She still did 106. I started seeing cardiac arrest. 17, I couldn't breathe. Now let me get up, go meet her. I said, please excuse me. What's the secret behind this press up that you are doing? She said, no, I normally start my counting from 100 though. Now, sir, for take die. From that day, anytime I reach that gym, as I pull my shirt, the next way they hear now 1,001, 1,002. You will see the women telling their husbands, look at your mate, 1,002. I cannot die alone. Let's die together. My friend just come up from here. How many of you saw K.O. Baba? Yeah, a very creative young man. Now, friend to Mercy Chinwo. One of the problems why I get with K.O., he always talk about Mercy, say Mercy short. If you follow on social media, you will notice. Every time Mercy, she's short. I don't know, K.O. and Mercy, who top us? Mercy, K.O. attends House on the Rock, okay? The first day that K.O. went to church, he and the wife called Liver for center of church. She called Crossroad, may she go buy something. Before she come, she not see her husband again. They don't carry her go children church. Now she called the house, the usher, did you see my husband? They say, no, ma, but we took your son to children's church. As the poor woman reached church, she see K.O. they drink Capri Sun. Oh! I remember as a young boy, I'll go school, they're going to call me Newa, not like, they'll be calling me Piccolo. Piccolo! I said, my name is not Piccolo. Now go call my mom. Because see my dad, rather. If you say my dad, they shout, his name is not Piccolo. His name is Mudiaga. How can they be calling him Piccolo in the school? What rubbish is that? The teacher called us. We are sorry, sir. I don't know what is wrong with Piccolo. Piccolo, sit down. My father said, I'm even here in my presence. You are still calling him Piccolo. Let's go and see the headmaster. You see headmaster at the shout, what rubbish is that? Mucheke is a very intelligent boy. I will not take this rubbish. Piccolo, go to your class. My father said, no, what nonsense is that? In my presence, you are still doing that rubbish? Today, I'm taking this boy away from this school. Piccolo, let's go. Thank you very much. That's my time.
Shout out to girls that like party. Every show I go, you must date, yeah. Every time I see you with artists, it's like you owe your own label. Do the X-rated for the paycheck. You get naked for the latest. For the